So I'm gonna my hair done, and what hairline gonna be good? I'm gonna be doing braids, but like, I'm gonna show y'all the hairstyle. Well, this guy. So it's gonna be like this zigzag line braided here, and then end of it. I'm gonna show you. Let's see. Let me. I'm on YouTube, so like, I don't know if y'all saw that, but hopefully you did. Oh, people who watch my videos, I'm a small contact. Just an only person just doing YouTube videos, and I'm new to like content and stuff. So yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna make a part 2 on this because then I'm gonna have to get off so I could see who made that video and put it on TV so I could put that. So after the video, I'm gonna make a part 2. So see you later in my next video. Bye.